Happy birthday! Now that you are 18, dalaga ka na. Sobrang ganda mo. Sana sa pagiging maganda mo ay manatili sa loob at labas. Beautiful inside and out. Stay humble and love your parents more. Happy birthday. God bless.
Ayaw po. First, I would like to tell you that since the start of the program, I started crying because I felt how happy you are today. Stay happy, Ina. You almost have everything in life. So stay humble and study hard. I love you and happy 18th birthday.
Hi, Ina. Actually, I was not supposed to be here. Medyo napilitan kay Mami. Kasi kailangan mag-dress. Anyway, happy birthday, Ina. I wish you all the best. And continue to pursue your dreams. I know your dreams will turn into reality. Okay? I know you can do it. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ina. Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang ingat. Masaya. Maganda. Sobrang saya. Masayang masaya ka. Sige, happy birthday.
Ang miss ko kaya ka, sana huwag ka muna mag-boyfriend. Bata ka pa. Tapusin mo muna yung pag-aaral mo. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Ina, happy birthday. God bless and I love you.
May you enjoy your life, chapter with wisdom and strength from God above all. Happy birthday, Ina.
Hi, Ina. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best in life, and as you enter this womanhood life, I hope you may achieve all your dreams, and may Lord guide you always. Basta, yun. Happy birthday, bebe.
Hi, Ina. Happy birthday. Dalaga ka na. Siguro hindi mo matatanda nung bata ka pa. Doon ako sa inyo natutulog noon. Nag-alaga rin ako sa iyo nung ganyan ka pa. Happy birthday. God bless and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ina. May you reach your endeavors in life. Let God be the center of your life, and I'm sure you will always be in the right path. I'm not only your mom's friend, but your friend too, who you can call anytime you need. Happy birthday again, pretty Ina. Enjoy your day and your entire life. God bless you always.
Hi, Ina. Happy 18th birthday. Actually, nasa Cebu kami, pero pumunta agad kasi si mami mo. Awayin ako. So, happy birthday. May you have all the joy and your heart can hold. All the smiles a day can bring. All the blessings a life can unfold. May you get all the world's best in everything. Wishing you a wonderful, happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ina. Thank you for inviting me on your special day. I wish you a great career after your studies. Always love your parents because we know they are doing their best to make you happy and contented. God bless you always.
Hi, Ina. Happy 18th birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon. Noon, para nening-neni kami ng dalawa ng mami mo. Ngayon, may mga anak na kaming dalaga. Basta, enjoy life. Enjoy to the fullest. Kasi isang beses lang yan mangyayari. And may God continue to bless you with good health and blessed life and happiness. Again, happy 18th birthday, Ina.
Ina, wishing you success in everything. Happy 18th birthday. God bless.
Hi, Ina. To my lovable niece, happy 18th birthday. I wish that whenever your heart desires, may all of them do come true. May this blue bill help you in a way to achieve your aspirations in life. Do not forget everything what your titas said and keep on telling you, especially your tit dum dum. Happy 18th birthday.